Hey, and welcome to AWS Practitioner Certification Exam Examples. Those are real questions. You will have between 50 and 75% in your exam. So I will give you some tricks and some keywords that will help you choose the right answer. So let's get started. Question number one. Which AWS service or tool can be used to set up a firewall to control traffic going into and coming out of an Amazon VPC subnet? Option A, Security Group. Option B, AWS WAF. Option C, AWS Firewall Manager. Or option D, ECL. I will give you some seconds to try to choose the right answer. Here is the rule. When you have traffic going on subnet, automatically choose ECL. And when you have traffic going into and coming out EC2 instance, directly choose security group. In this question, we have subnet, so we will go directly with ECL. So the right answer there is option D, ECL. Moving to next question. This is a very important question. Let's do it together. A company plans to deploy containers on AWS. The company wants full control of the compute resources that host the containers. Which AWS service will meet these requirements? Amazon EKS, AWS Fargate, Amazon EC2, or Amazon ECS? This is a kind of tricky question. So let's do it together. Let's read the question carefully. A company plans to deploy containers on AWS. The company wants full control of the computer resources that host the containers. If I go quick with the answer, I will choose D, Amazon ECS. But look, read carefully the second sentence. The company wants full control, not of the containers themselves, but the compute resources that host the containers. So we are talking about computer resources, not containers. So the right answer there is Amazon EC2. Option C is the right answer. Moving to next question. A company is running and managing its own Docker environment on Amazon EC2 instances. The company wants an alternative to help manage cluster size scheduling and environment maintenance. Which AWS service meets these requirements? AWS Lambda, Amazon RDS, AWS Fargate, or Amazon Athena? I will give you some seconds, but if you need more, you can pause the video and try to find the right answer. We are talking here about Docker environment. It means that we are talking about containers. And the question is, which is the AWS service that is responsible for containers? It's AWS Fargate. Option C is the right answer there. Moving to next question. Which AWS service or tool helps user visualize, understand, and manage spending and usage over time? There is some what I called giveaway questions. Those are gifts. So you don't even need to look for the answers. Whenever you have usage over time, directly go with Cost Explorer. So in this question, AWS Cost Explorer is the right answer. Moving to next question. A developer wants to deploy an application quickly and AWS without manually creating the required resources. Which AWS service will meet these requirements? Amazon EC2, Elastic Beanstalk, AWS Code Build, or Amazon Glue? The keyword here is deploy application quickly. For deploying application quickly, Elastic Beanstalk is the correct answer. So it's option B. Question number 6. An online gaming company needs to choose a purchasing option to run its Amazon EC2 instances for 1 year. The web traffic is consistent and any increases in traffic are predictable. The EC2 instances must be online and available without any disruption. Which EC2 instance purchasing option will meet these requirements most cost effectively? On-demand instances, reserved instances, spot instances, or spot fleet? There are a lot of keywords here. Long term, they want instance for 1 year without disruption, traffic predictable, and they want most cost effectively. All these keywords goes with reserved instances. So the right answer here is B, reserved instances. Question number 7. An e-commerce company has migrated its IT infrastructure from an on-premises data center to the AWS cloud. Which cost is the company's direct responsibility? Cost of application software licenses. It could be the right answer. Cost of the hardware infrastructure on AWS. It's AWS responsibility. Cost of power for the AWS server, AWS responsibility. Cost of physical security for the AWS data center is AWS responsibility too. So the right answer is software licenses. Option A is the correct answer. Moving to the next question. A company runs thousands of simultaneous simulations using AWS Batch. Each simulation is stateless, fault-tolerant, and runs for up to 3 hours. Which pricing model enables the company to optimize costs and meet these requirements? On-demand instances, reserved instances, spot instances, or dedicated instances? We are talking about simulations, stateless, and 3 hours. So it will be spot instances. Option C is the correct one. Which service enables customers to audit API calls in their AWS accounts? CloudTrail, Trusted Advisor, Amazon Inspector, or AWS X-Ray? This question is one of the giveaway questions. Whenever you see audit API calls or events or logs, directly go with CloudTrail. So option A is the correct one. Moving to the next question. A company is exploring the use of AWS Cloud and needs to create a cost estimate for a project before the infrastructure is provisioned. Which AWS service or feature can be used to estimate costs before deployment? AWS Free Tier, AWS Pricing Calculator, AWS Billing and Cost Management, or AWS Cost and Usage Report. The need there is cost estimate a project. So we need to calculate the cost for a project. How AWS calculate the cost of project? AWS needs AWS pricing calculator. So option B is the right answer. Question 11. Which AWS service gives users the ability to discover and protect sensitive data that is stored in Amazon S3 buckets? Don't look up the answers. Don't look up the choices for this kind of question. Protect sensitive data? Go directly with Amazon Macy. I repeat, protect sensitive data? Go directly with Amazon Macy. Don't waste time on the exam on questions like this. Please. Next question. Question number 12. Which task is the customer's responsibility according to the AWS shared responsibility model? We are looking for customer's responsibility. Maintain the security of the AWS cloud. It's not customer, it's AWS. Configure firewalls and networks. Maybe the right answer. Patch the operating system of Amazon RDS instances. It's AWS responsibility. Implement physical and environmental controls. AWS responsibility too. So the right answer there is configure firewalls and networks. Option B. Moving to the next question. A company has deployed applications on Amazon EC2 instances. The company needs to assess application vulnerabilities and must identify infrastructure deployment that do not meet best practices. Which AWS service can the company use to meet these requirements? Trusted Advisor, Amazon Inspector, AWS Config, or Amazon Guard Duty? This kind of question you will have it in the exam for sure. You will have a question about Amazon Inspector. So please focus on application vulnerabilities and deployments that not meet best practices. So for this question, B, Amazon Inspector is the right answer. Next. Which responsibility belongs to AWS when a company hosts its databases on Amazon EC2 instances? This is an important question. So we are looking for responsibility belongs to AWS. Okay, database backups are customer responsibility. Database software patches, customer responsibility. Operating system patches, also customer responsibility. And operation system installations, it's AWS responsibility. This is kind of tricky. If we have, for example, on option D, just operation system or operation system patches, it will go with customer responsibility. But here we are talking about the installation, not launching. Launching will be by the customer, but the OS is already provided by AWS, and the installation is not done by the customer, it's done by AWS. So the right answer there is option G, operation system installation. Hope it's clear for you. Next question. What is the best resource for a user to find compliance related information and reports about AWS? Once again, it's a giveaway question because we have keywords compliance reports. Whenever you have compliance reports on the exam, go directly with AWS artifact. Don't look up the other replies or the other answers. Go directly and choose artifact. This is the last question for this video. Hope you find the content useful. If you do so, please like and subscribe. And if you passed the exam and you found some questions on my videos, please come back and leave a comment. It will be very helpful for us. Thanks for watching. Good luck.